What's up, you guys? I'm Jasper and this is JJ Vids. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a few electrical issues on the Lexus, as well as take advantage of this rain and see if we can get this thing sideways a little bit. We're also going to go out into the golf course and do a little bit of surfing, but that's just going to be a side thing. But stay tuned, it's going to be a fun day. Taking this thing out, there's a few things I want to go over with you guys about this car. So we are rocking the Falcon Acenas summer tires, which are definitely a softer compound. And as you guys can see, the tread pattern is pretty not there. So these are definitely more of a summer tire, and these tires really don't hook well during the dry, but I feel like during the rain, we'll definitely have a better shot at getting this thing sideways. So I just wanted to tell you guys that before we go on the drive. Yeah, I need to get a feel for it. Right.
You have to go. Yo, I bet somebody would be gullible enough to believe that.
Not that good. Like that.
Oh my god. Yeah, that was awesome. Yeah, that was a perfect shot.
Man, that's sick.
Look, that car just stopped right there.
I wouldn't go anymore. Yeah, we'll start.
Need to wave it over?
Yeah, look, she's taking pictures. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Whoa, what happened with my gauge cluster right here? Why is my light flashing? What is going on? I wonder if you can see that through the camera, but my gas light is flashing and it says that I have no gas. Let's see if this thing starts up and goes right here, stalls out on me. No, it's fine. What the hell? That's so weird. I'm going to try turning on and off the car. Wonder if I have a mechanical breakout right here. Let's see, fix it. Oh, that fixed it. Good as new. Cheers. That's great. Now let's do it again. Let's break it again. That was f***ing funny. You guys, that's a great place to leave off today's video because I was able to show you guys how this thing drifts in the rain, and I was able to show you guys what fun we can have at the golf course when it's pouring down rain as well. One thing I didn't get to fully address is the electrical issue I've been having on this Sportcross. And that issue has only been happening when it's super rainy outside, and whenever it gets sunny like it is right now, the problem ceases to exist. So next time it rains and I run into this problem again, I'll make a dedicated video on fixing that issue. But that being said, thank you everyone who shows support to the JJ Vids channel. If you guys haven't already, be sure to enter my giveaway, the $50 O'Reilly's gift card giveaway that I'm holding for the JJ Vids channel. And all you have to do to learn how to enter that giveaway is check out this giveaway video right here. But I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.